Pharmacists are among the most respected of professionals. Pharmacists' salaries are among the top 10% of professionals. Pharmacists experience practically 0% unemployment. Shortages in health manpower, including pharmacists, are well documented. Respect, excellent pay, steady, meaningful work, and need all add up to opportunity. And pharmacy is a profession with unlimited opportunity, a profession that might be for you. Hi, I'm Martin Luther King III. Let's take a few minutes to look at what pharmacy is, the career opportunities, and what you can do to become a pharmacist to make things happen for you. Actually, pharmacy is one of the oldest professions, one responsible by tradition for compounding and dispensing medications while assuring that patients were given the right medication for their particular condition. But today, pharmacy is all that and more, maintaining medication profiles, providing health awareness education, and perhaps most importantly, remaining the most accessible member of the healthcare team. Besides community practice, pharmacists have unlimited career opportunities in government, hospitals, industry, clinics, and education.
The Public Health Service is one of the largest health agencies in this nation, and its mission is to improve the health of the nation's people. This mission is carried out in a variety of different ways through several different agencies, and each of those agencies has a pharmacy component. The major agencies include the Indian Health Service, the Food and Drug Administration, the National Institutes of Health, the Health Resources and Services Administration, and some other agencies as well.
I am a hospital pharmacy supervisor. I oversee the distribution of over 9,000 medications per day. I train pharmacists how to use the computer. I participate in various hospital committees, in a quality assurance program, and I also do employee appraisal evaluations. I also supervise the preparation of intravenous medications.
As a packaging supervisor, my responsibilities are to ensure the filling, the labeling, and the general assembly of pharmaceutical and biological products. I'm also responsible to ensure that all the employees are complying with manufacturing practices, and that's just a set of rules and regulations that's established by the Food and Drug Administration. In addition to that, recently I was given the assignment to design and develop a training program for that packaging department. Having the pharmacy degree is what gave me the opportunity to work within industry, so that's what got me in the doors.
My primary responsibilities are as a department head in the College of Pharmacy. In addition to those administrative duties, I still find time to practice as a clinical practitioner in the area of pediatrics. I provide clinical pharmacy services in pediatrics at the Children's Hospital here in New Orleans. The types of functions that I provide in my service include patient education and patient counseling, working with the medical and nursing staff in solving patient medication problems and compliance problems, monitor for adverse drug reactions, and looking for drug-drug interactions. My overall attempt also is to really get the pharmacy staff here at the Children's Hospital involved in what I'm doing to try to promote clinical pharmacy practice and also to enhance their job satisfaction.
As a pharmacy college professor, I have 3 different responsibilities: teaching, research, and service. I teach pharmacy management courses to students to explain how to manage their stores as well as their patients' medications. In research, I attempt to find answers to questions such as, why do patients take drugs the way they do? What are the healthcare trends of the future? After finding the answers to these questions, we publish the information to spread the knowledge to others in the field. In the role of service, I work on various committees for the college. Committees such as continuing education, where we develop materials for the practicing pharmacist, or committees such as the curriculum committee, where we prepare the curriculum for the pharmacy student.
And of course, there's the community pharmacist.
I'm a community pharmacist and I compound and dispense prescriptions and counsel patients daily. I specialize in dermatological compounding.
My job as a community pharmacist is to provide professional health care to my community, to help them feel better and to maintain their health. I try to do this by providing patient counseling with each new prescription, over-the-counter counseling on medications, and by providing health-related information.
So you have both opportunity and lots of choices. Now, how do you go about becoming a pharmacist? 2 things. Begin preparation early and learn what the profession is about.
For the junior high or high school student, I suggest that you prepare in advance. In order to get admitted to pharmacy school, you must have courses in science and math.
I would say to any student who's, even if you're not thinking about pharmacy, but especially if you are, make sure that you have a very strong grade point average. Take school seriously now. Do very well in whatever it is that you do. And you want to have a strong math background if you're trying to enter into a pharmacy program.
I think students who go into the field of pharmacy should spend some time trying to acquaint themselves with the profession. Then they should select a pharmacist as a role model and stay in contact with that person to make sure that the person they select can relate to them.
For students who have chosen pharmacy as a career, I would suggest that they talk with others who are pharmacists, who they consider to be positive role models, and learn from them about their experiences and the opportunities that are available for them.
Concentrate in science and math to prepare yourself for college. And that's not all. Good written and verbal communication skills are important in both the study and the practice of pharmacy. So apply yourselves in those areas as well. In college, your pharmacy education will require 5 years for the BS or Bachelor of Science degree. The more advanced Doctor of Pharmacy takes 6 years if you want to take that route. Your studies in pharmacy college will fall into 2 broad areas, the pre-professional curriculum and the professional curriculum. In the pre-professional curriculum, you'll study chemistry, biology, physics, organic chemistry, and mathematics, as well as English composition and economics. Your professional curriculum includes courses in such areas as pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, pharmacology, pharmacy practice, clinical pharmacy, communication, management, and economics. Okay, so much for requirements. Sure, it is hard work, but all things that are worthwhile are hard work. It's how you know you have something real. It's a way of making something happen for you.
There are many courses of study that are easier than pharmacy, but I can guarantee you that the sacrifices that it takes are well worth it. Even though pharmacy school requires 5 or 6 years of preparation, when you're in school, the time really flies.
I think we need more minority pharmacists. There's a need within the community to have pharmacists. Pharmacists not only provide services, but they also serve as role models.
Don't try to compete with anyone else. Challenge yourself and do the best that you can do for you.
The youth of today, the students that might be viewing this, must realize that they are the role models of the future. And as such, I think we all need to make it a bright future. So let's get on the ball, get with those grades, get back into the program, and start, doing what's right.
In general, there's a great world of opportunity out there just waiting for you. You can do anything you want to do, and you can go any place you want to go.
Opportunity, unlimited opportunity. Opportunity for respect, for good pay, for steady employment, for service, and your chance to make something happen for you.